Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to change the color of the mobile menu button, often known as the hamburger icon, in Divi. Customizing this color not only makes your navigation blend beautifully with your brand, but also enhances visibility and cohesion for mobile users. We'll guide you through multiple approaches to achieve this, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's get started. In this section, we'll look at how to change the color of the mobile menu button in Divi using the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster provides a straightforward option to update the appearance of your hamburger menu icon. With this tool, you can easily select and apply your preferred color, making your site's mobile navigation blend seamlessly with the rest of your design. This method is quick, efficient, and doesn't require any coding skills. To access the settings needed to adjust the mobile menu button color using Divi Booster, go to the Divi menu in your WordPress admin sidebar and click on Divi Booster. This will take you to the Plugins settings page. Once there, locate and expand the header section. Then click to open the mobile header subsection, where you'll find the relevant options. Now that you're in the mobile header section of Divi Booster, locate the option labeled Mobile Menu Button Color. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to it. Once you've done that, a color picker will appear. You can either enter a specific color value, such as a hex code like NOPR1E73BE, or select a shade directly using the color picker tool. This makes it easy to customize the menu button color to perfectly match your site's branding. Once you've set your desired color, don't forget to save your changes. Simply scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. After that, you can check out your work by viewing your site on a mobile device or resizing your browser to a mobile-friendly width. You'll see your updated hamburger menu color in action. Let's talk about changing the color of the Divi mobile menu button using custom CSS. This approach is perfect if you're looking for a quick and flexible way to make adjustments without the need to edit theme files or install additional plugins. By adding a small snippet of CSS through the Theme Options panel in WordPress, you can customize the hamburger icon to match your site's design seamlessly. I'll guide you through the steps to make this change. To add custom CSS for the mobile menu button, start by navigating to the Divi menu in your WordPress admin dashboard and selecting Theme Options. Once there, scroll down to the field labeled Custom CSS. This is where you'll paste a snippet of code to control the color of your mobile menu button. The code targets the hamburger menu icon and allows you to set a specific color. Replace the word red in the code with the color of your choice, using a hex code, color name, or other CSS color format. For example, you might use #1E73BE for a blue shade. If you'd like to see the full code snippet, you can find it in the accompanying post. Adding this CSS is a simple yet powerful way to customize your site's mobile navigation look. Once you've added your custom CSS, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. After that, you can preview your work. Resize your browser window to a mobile width, or check your site on a mobile device to see the hamburger menu button updated with your chosen color in action. Another option for customizing your Divi mobile menu button is using the built-in theme customizer. This method makes it easy to adjust the color of the hamburger icon without any coding. However, it's important to note that this approach will also change the color of the links inside the mobile menu. Let's walk through how you can do this. To change the color of your Divi mobile menu button using the theme customizer, start by navigating to the Divi menu in your WordPress dashboard and selecting the theme customizer. Once you're in, expand the Mobile Styles section and then open the Mobile Menu subsection. Here you'll find the text color setting. Click on the color picker next to it, and you can either enter a specific color value like #1E73BE, or use the picker to select your desired shade. Keep in mind that this color will update both the menu button and the links inside the mobile menu. It's a simple way to ensure your mobile menu matches your brand perfectly. Once you've selected your new color, click the Publish button located at the top of the Theme Customizer pane to save your changes. Then, take a moment to preview your updates. Open your homepage on a mobile device or resize your browser window to a mobile-friendly width. You'll see your updated menu button and links beautifully reflecting your chosen branding color. Customizing the color of your Divi mobile menu button is simple and can be done in a few different ways. Whether you choose to use the Divi Booster plugin, a quick CSS tweak, or the built-in theme customizer, each method allows you to align your mobile navigation with your site's unique design and branding. Select the approach that best suits your needs and enjoy a more cohesive and visually appealing mobile experience.